Yeah, this a real G. Yeah, this a real G against the narrow. And I'm feeling good, I'm feeling happy. Yeah, the Lord is in my life. Come on, G.
The Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. Oh yeah, the Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. Oh yeah, the Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. The Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. The Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. And the Lord is in my life, and the Christ is in my life. I'm getting this. And the Christ is in my life.
I wake up from my bed, I give thanks and praise to the Lord. For my soul to be keeping the hand of the Lord to be captured. God make me lie down a green pasture. Men will not make you lose in this rapture. That's why I'm fighting for my future. I was made fresh in his nature. My enemies try me in so many chapters. Yeah, the Lord is my defender in my life. Christ is my life. Small time go see me and my wife. Nigga D try to be wise. Yeah, the sunshine on my life. I will always make fresh and be bright. God has already put my wrong for my right. If you watch your left and right, God be my big prayerful. This no be fight. Now a power they send I've been blessed. Don't try me else. Your eyes go to 1 billion kilo. I'm fresh, it tastes like it. Jacomilo. God has already put my enemies under my pillow. In front of Christ, all spirit to mellow. In the name of Jah Rastafari, all things are good as gold. My God is bold to behold. Under the cross, try and separate yourself from records and follow the laws. No one is above the law, so that you not be lost. Oh boss.
Let's all come together, give thanks and praise to the Lord. For the Lord is strong and to behold. Your enemies are many to chase you and me, day and night. So wake up and stand up and to give any thanks and praise to the Lord. He's the one who created heaven and earth.